Welcome back, design lovers. Today, we're taking on a fun challenge, redesigning an exterior in Revit. And when I say fun, I mean, oh no, not again, here we go, kind of fun, you know, the usual. You see, I've got a client who's seen some inspirational designs online, and let's just say, expectations just went up, way up. Like, skyscraper level up. So, buckle up, let's see how this unfolds. Here's what we started with: simple, clean lines, basic design. Nothing too fancy, right? This is what I thought was a solid plan, and then, the client had one small change. We all know what that means, right? Of course, they've just seen a Pinterest pin that looks like it was built by elves and magic wands. No problem, I've got Revit. I can do this. So, first things first, we'll start by adding some depth with a simple extrusion. Extrusions, they're like the bread and butter of Revit. You just pull and push until it looks right, and suddenly, boom, elevation changes. Not too shabby, right? But wait, here comes another message from the client. Modern, with cool angles. You know, sometimes I think my clients have been watching way too much HGTV. But hey, challenge accepted. Let's add some cool, sharp, angular features. Revit's extrusion tool is perfect for that. Just pull, push, and voila. You've got angles sharper than my last breakup. Look at that. Now we've got something that could easily appear in a magazine. Of course, the client sends me another message, because apparently, their Pinterest board wasn't done yet. More plants. Did I hear that right? They want me to turn this place into a jungle? Well, let's see what Revit's generic models can do. Now, you know we're not talking about full-on landscape architecture here. But, with Revit's generic models for plants and trees, we can at least make it look like we tried. It's like the digital version of curb appeal, without the dirt and the sunburns. Okay, I'll admit, this actually looks pretty good, and it only took a few extrusions, some generic models, and a little bit of magic. Oh, and the client, they're thrilled. See, it's all worth it in the end. Sometimes, the key to success is just extruding your way through it. And a little patience, but mostly, a lot of extruding. So there you have it, an exterior redesign, brought to life with nothing more than Revit's extrusions, some generic models for those lush plants. And a touch of magic. It's simple, it's quick, and it looks great. Client approved, Pinterest worthy, and zero sunburns. What more could you ask for? Hope you enjoyed watching this wild redesign journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future design adventures. And hey, next time your client asks for just a small change, remember, we've got Revit. And maybe a little bit of coffee. See you in the next video.